how to turn off auto dubbing on YouTube. So first thing first, let's open the YouTube app. And now you can see there is a video I have played. So let me open it, and now you can see there is settings icon at the top right corner. So let's tap on that settings, and finally you will be able to see audio track in here. So once you tap on it, you can see there is audio track at top, and another section is auto dub. So make sure you are in audio track and just select the audio track option, and finally you will be able to turn off your auto dubbing successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to turn off your auto dubbing. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.